Alright, so we are done with the testing and now we are hitting the road. Today is gonna be the long ass day. So we're gonna sit in the truck forever. Yeah.
Something I should have done too.
Alright you guys, so we are about 3-4 hours away roughly from Colorado Springs. We just stopped to fill up some gas, take a little reg break, and then also to get some DEF fluid. That's right, Kyle.
Why felt worse than this for some reason? When I went to LA, pretty much smog reasons.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Damn, Kyle.
Burn hand right there. Did you say burn ends on everything?
No.
Nice yummy high octane barbecue. Alright you guys, well After high octane barbecue, I don't think I can fit back in the truck. They might just have to put me on the trailer. Be in the jungle, JJ. I like it. Sorry, I'm a lefty. Oh.
Ain't nobody want to hear that.
Pretty nice view. Blessing the toilet, huh? Oh shit.
Drop a bomb.
Okay, I let them know too, not to open it. Probably I'm gonna sleep on the couch, rest in peace. Pretty cool. Okay, what else we got? That's it for groceries, I think. Snickerus. Alright, you guys, so right now we have a little issue with the car. So on most of the cars you have to have some sort of a kill switch. So we have a kill switch on the car which kills the main power that comes from the main battery, the bigger battery, or however you call it, the EV battery. But the 12-volt battery doesn't get killed, and technically we want to kill both for tech inspection. So right now we are trying to figure out the issue and maybe even rewire it separate. So yeah, also this is kind of dark now, even with the lights.
It's super good. This is for sure.
Some behind the scenes.
Oh yeah. It's not a AutoZone shit.
It's
stiff. Dude.
Turn it. The old switch.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on.
So it needs to stay on 5 minutes for it to connect with.
It
needs to talk to everything.
Yeah.
Or else it doesn't know what's going on. That makes sense.
So it's a little slower than the Tesla. Tesla at least. You trying to start the car?
Or you can give me one of those.
I can just give you another one when we get back.
Yeah, I'm not tripping.
Yeah.